Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Tech Phantom. So earlier we saw the first looks of the OnePlus 9, which was the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro earlier on this channel, and now let's talk about the OnePlus 9e, which will going to be the one successor of the OnePlus Nord. So recently we got an update from the leaks and the rumors that OnePlus is now planning to launch their three devices alongside, which will be the OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9e. So we have been getting the most of the news about the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro, but the OnePlus 9e or the OnePlus 9 Lite, some people call it, is a mysterious device so far. So we got you covered about the OnePlus 9e in this video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. So according to the sources, the OnePlus 9e will use a 6.5-inch of Full HD Plus display, and the latter will also support the 90Hz refresh rate under the hood. The phone will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 960 processor with an 8GB of storage and a 128GB of space. And if we talk about the cameras, the OnePlus 9e will sport a 64 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. In addition, it will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery. Now, as of now, we don't know about the prices of the OnePlus 9e, but stay tuned for that to our channel. And also, it is confirmed that the prices will definitely be lower than the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. And I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.